Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to trade on Base using the Coinbase wallet app. It's quick, simple, and beginner friendly, so let's get started. First, you want to open your Coinbase wallet app on your phone. Then you want to go to your assets by choosing the icon at the lower right corner of the screen. From here, you want to choose swap, as this is where you'll do your trading. Now keep in mind, I don't have any assets in this account yet, but here's what it would look like. From here, you want to pick the tokens you want to trade. Just select the one you're giving and the one you want to receive. Make sure to double check both to avoid mistakes. Then you want to make sure you're on the base network inside the app. This keeps your trades fast and low cost. Then you want to enter your trade details. Just enter the amount you want to trade, and once done, just tap continue. Then review everything carefully, tokens, amount, fees, and rates. When you're ready, just go ahead and tap swap to confirm. Then just wait a moment while the transaction processes, and once confirmed, your new tokens will appear right in your wallet. And that's it. You've successfully traded on Base using the Coinbase Wallet app. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.